alarm so soon?
At Ring, we reinvented the doorbell. Now we've reinvented home security with Ring Alarm. Protecting the things that matter the most is simpler than ever. Here's how. Make it yours. Every home is different. Every family is unique. That's why you can customize your Ring Alarm to build a security system that fits your needs. Go small. Go medium. Go big. Whoever you are, wherever you live, there's a Ring Alarm for you.
Even me.
If you've got Wi-Fi.
I do.
And install it yourself. He can do it. She can do it. They can sort of do it.
Hiya. Perfect. Ooh, it needs to go over here, actually.
And it's just as easy to take down and pack up.
So I can take it with me when I move?
It's all yours, with absolutely no long-term commitment at all.
Yeah, commitment's not really my thing.
It's all on your phone. The Ring app lets you access your Ring Alarm and all your other Ring devices seamlessly in one place. Monitor everything, no matter where you are. See your stuff from here.
Excuse me? Could you please put that down?
Check in on the house from here.
Hey, did you leave the door open?
It's more than just security. Ring Alarm doesn't just keep your home safe from this guy. There's even a panic button, just in case of catastrophes. Okay, moving on. It's smart. Like if your hands are full, just tell Alexa smart.
Alexa, arm Ring away.
Ring is armed in away mode.
Or if your alarm is triggered, your lights and cameras turn on smart. So you can tell this guy he's not so smart.
Not so smart, mate.
Sorry, I'll be a better person!
Sign up for Ring Protect Plus to benefit from assisted monitoring, so you and your trusted emergency contacts get an automated call as soon as your Ring Alarm detects a security issue. With Protect Plus, you also get cellular backup, so if your Wi-Fi has any issues, your Ring Alarm still has you covered. Plus, you'll get unlimited video recording for all your other Ring video doorbells and cameras too. Small price, big benefits. Sleep well knowing that you've got Ring Alarm. The simplest, most affordable, home-protecting, crime-deterring, peace-of-mind-giving, Alexa-integrating, life-saving security system that we've ever invented.